here from OEM Audio. I want to show you our BTN595 fitted into this brand new 2024 Toyota GR86. Pretty cool little sports car. You've probably seen the video there. You didn't see the video of me getting into it, of course, which required basic surgery to wind myself into it, but that's cool. This is a different size unit to normal. Our normal Toyota units are 200 by 100mm. This, being a brand new vehicle, also has a set of wiring in it that is completely different to how normally cars are wired up, but our technicians here have got it going. So we've got a nice Toyota, we call it a BTN595 fitting in here. Has all the cool features you'd expect from us. Obviously you've got a home screen there. It's got wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. I'm an Apple user because I got sucked into it and I can't seem to extract myself from it, but I'm in there anyway. You see all the CarPlay is wireless. There's no cable. In fact, we've actually a little bit lost as to where to put a USB point in this car, but we're going to work that out. All works pretty quickly. You can play with your podcasts, that sort of thing. See, they're all basically just cricket times and politics for me. Radio is nice. It's got the RDS signal, so it'll save the station identifier. You can type in the number you want. So if you want to go to 92.9, you listen to the sound music for old people. It's on there now. You can go to rock music for people who don't like soap, breeze music for housewives, music for teeny boppers, more FM's music for teeny boppers. If I do good as it actually don't do any good, but listen to more FM. Anyway, I could go on. And you've obviously got a reverse camera. Now the dinging sound you hear isn't from the head unit, it's from the car. Not my choice, that's what it comes with, but it's got a nice clear picture. That's set up so you can connect obviously via Bluetooth if you choose not to connect CarPlay. Can't see why you would, but you can. You've got some settings in the background you can play with. Date, time, some audio. You've got an equalizer in there. You can play around with your heart's content to however you want that to go to. The balance, of course, that sort of thing. Please note, in some of these brand new cars we've discovered they don't have rear speakers. So we've actually put speakers in this car. So it's all cool. We've got a subwoofer access if you want to put one of those in. Anyway, that briefly is our BTN595. Please, if you've taken offence to anything I've said about the radio station you prefer to listen to, I don't care. So it's all cool. I'm going to continue as I am, and I'll ignore your Facebook comments anyway. So, mate, these are real good units. So come see us at oemaudio.co.nz or 0508 636 283. Mate, you better not record this. Take it out of this bloody thing now.